Have you ever felt like your legs just don't move the way they used to? Do you wake up in the morning feeling stiffness in your joints or swelling that makes walking a chore instead of a joy? If you've been living with that constant ache in your knees or ankles, or the burning tightness that travels through your calves after just a little movement, then you're not alone. Millions of seniors deal with joint pain and swelling every single day. But what if I told you that there's a powerful, natural way to help your legs feel stronger and more flexible? What if there were specific foods that could gently heal your joints from within, reduce swelling, and even help you walk easier, stand taller, and feel younger? Today, we're diving into 8 powerful collagen rich foods you must eat to say goodbye to swelling and give your legs and joints the love they truly deserve. Now, before we dive into the list, let's talk for just a moment about collagen. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your body. It holds your joints together, supports your skin, cushions your bones, and provides the strength and elasticity your tendons and ligaments need to function smoothly. But as we age, especially after 50 and beyond, our body naturally produces less and less collagen. This is one of the main reasons why joints become stiff. Skin loses its elasticity, and swelling becomes more frequent. And if you're over 60, this decline becomes even more noticeable. But here's the good news: certain foods can help your body replenish its collagen stores naturally. These aren't expensive supplements or hard to find superfoods, they're everyday, nourishing ingredients you can easily add to your meals. And once you begin eating them regularly, you might just notice your legs feeling lighter, your joints moving easier, and that nagging swelling fading away. So let's get started with the first collagen rich food your joints have been begging for: one: bone broth. Let's begin with one of the most potent sources of natural collagen on the planet: bone broth. Now, bone broth isn't just a trendy food you see on health blogs. It's been used for centuries by traditional healers, grandmothers, and doctors alike for its powerful healing properties. When bones, whether chicken, beef, or fish, are simmered for hours, they release gelatin, collagen, amino acids, and minerals that are absolutely vital for joint and leg health. Drinking just one warm cup of bone broth a day can deliver an incredible dose of type 1, SIR2, and the 3 collagen, exactly the kinds your joints, skin, and bones crave. But that's not all. Bone broth is rich in glycine and proline, 2 amino acids your body uses to rebuild connective tissue. These help strengthen your ligaments and tendons, those tiny bands that connect your muscles to bones and joints. When those ligaments weaken, your joints become unstable, and that's when pain and swelling kick in. But with regular bone broth, you can nourish those connective tissues from within. The result? Better mobility, less inflammation, and stronger legs. Many people even report that after just 2 weeks of daily bone broth, they feel like they can move with greater ease. And don't worry, you don't have to spend all day cooking it. These days, you can buy high quality bone broth from trusted sources, or simply simmer leftover chicken bones from a meal in water with onions, garlic, and herbs for a few hours to create your own healing potion. Salmon. Now let's talk about a delicious protein packed fish that does double duty for your joints: salmon. You've probably heard that salmon is good for your heart, but did you know it's also one of the best foods for joint and leg health? Not only is it rich in high quality collagen proteins, but it's also packed with omega 3 fatty acids, which are powerful inflammation fighters. And if there's one thing your swollen, aching joints need, it's less inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of so many joint problems, from arthritis to stiffness, and even that puffy feeling in your legs after standing too long. When you eat salmon, the omega 3s go to work calming that internal fire, soothing your tissues, and reducing the swelling that makes movement painful. But here's the magic: while the omega 3s reduce inflammation, the collagen peptides in salmon help rebuild the structure of your joints. That means less friction, more cushioning, and better movement with each step. And there's more. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D and astaxanthin, 2 nutrients that support cartilage regeneration and reduce joint degeneration, especially in older adults. Try adding salmon to your meals 2 to 3 times a week. Whether it's grilled, baked, or added to a hearty soup, this delicious fish is like a multi nutrient cocktail for your legs and joints. It's no wonder that people in cultures that regularly eat oily fish, like the Japanese or Mediterranean populations, report significantly less arthritis and joint pain, even in old age. 3. Eggs. If there's one food that's been unfairly misunderstood over the years, it's the humble egg. For decades, people were told to avoid them due to cholesterol concerns. But the truth is, eggs are one of the most nutrient dense, joint supporting foods you can eat, especially as you age. And when it comes to collagen, eggs deliver in a big way. Let's break it down. First, eggs are packed with proline and glycine, the two key amino acids your body needs to manufacture its own collagen. While the egg white contains most of the protein, the yolk is where the magic happens. Egg yolks are rich in nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones and joints. But there's one more secret most people don't know. The membrane just beneath the eggshell, that thin, nearly invisible layer you might peel off when boiling an egg, is incredibly rich in natural collagen. In fact, supplement companies now extract collagen directly from eggshell membranes because of how potent it is. So, what does this mean for your joints and swelling? It means when you eat eggs regularly, scrambled, poached, boiled, or in a veggie packed omelet, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to restore joint cartilage, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the tendons and ligaments in your legs. This can dramatically reduce the pressure and stress on your knees and ankles, making each step smoother, lighter, and more comfortable. And the best part, eggs are incredibly affordable and easy to prepare. They're a perfect way to start your morning, especially for those in their 60s, 70s, or beyond who need a nourishing anti inflammatory breakfast to support mobility throughout the day. 4. Berries. Now, let's sweeten things up just a bit. You may not immediately think of berries when you hear the word collagen, but these colorful little fruits are your joint's secret weapon, especially when swelling and stiffness are dragging you down. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen production. Your body cannot make collagen without vitamin C. It's as essential as bricks are to a building. If your diet lacks this key vitamin, your collagen synthesis slows down, leading to weakened joints, fragile skin, and increased inflammation. And here's where berries shine. Not only do they boost your body's ability to produce collagen, but they also protect the collagen you already have from breaking down due to oxidative stress. That means less wear and tear on your joints and more long lasting mobility. But the benefits don't stop there. Berries also contain anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that give berries their vibrant colors. These compounds are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation markers in the blood, ease arthritis pain, and even block enzymes that lead to joint degeneration. Eating a cup of berries a day can help reduce joint swelling and stiffness, particularly in the knees, ankles, and hips. So, whether you toss them in your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy a bowl on their own, berries are nature's delicious little pain relievers, and a must have in your anti swelling, joint repairing Arsenal 5 chicken skin. Now, this might surprise you, but if you've been peeling the skin off your chicken, you may want to reconsider. That crispy, savory skin, when prepared in a healthy way, is actually a natural source of type 2 collagen, which is essential for your joint cartilage. This is the type of collagen that makes up the flexible tissues in your knees, hips, elbows, and spine, the very areas most prone to stiffness and swelling as we age. Type 2 collagen helps form the sponge like cushioning in your joints. When you walk, run, or even stand, that cartilage compresses and absorbs shock, protecting your bones from grinding against one another. But without enough type 2 collagen, this cushion wears down. The result? Painful bone on bone friction, stiffness, and you guessed it, swelling. The good news is when you eat foods rich in type 2 collagen like chicken skin or cartilage rich parts of the bird, such as drumsticks or wings, you're replenishing the exact tissue your joints need to feel young again. Now, this doesn't mean you should eat fried chicken every day, but gently roasted or baked chicken with the skin left on can be a delicious, natural way to nourish your body. You can even make your own collagen rich soup using chicken feet or wings, which are loaded with connective tissue. Just simmer them slowly with herbs and vegetables, and you'll create a deeply healing broth that rivals even beef bone broth in collagen content. For seniors looking to reduce leg and joint swelling naturally, adding small servings of collagen rich poultry to your weekly menu can make a big difference over time. 6. Citrus fruits. Sometimes the simplest foods can have the most profound effects on your health. Take citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These juicy, refreshing fruits aren't just for flavor. They are bursting with vitamin C, which, as we mentioned earlier, is essential for your body's ability to produce collagen. What makes citrus fruits so special is that they also contain bioflavonoids, plant compounds that enhance the absorption and use of vitamin C in your body. These bioflavonoids help stabilize capillaries, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow to your joints. And better blood flow means more nutrients can reach your knees, hips, and ankles, right where they're needed most for healing and swelling reduction. As we age, the blood flow to our extremities can become compromised. That's one reason why many seniors feel cold in their feet or experience swelling in their lower legs. By eating citrus fruits regularly, you can help counter this effect. The vitamin C supports collagen formation, while the hydration and flavonoids keep your blood vessels healthy and open. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Add fresh orange slices to your salad, or enjoy grapefruit as a light dessert. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your joints from the inside out. 7. Leafy greens. If you're looking for a way to protect your joints while supporting your overall health, look no further than the humble leafy green. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are bursting with nutrients that help your body preserve and rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and improve joint function. While greens don't contain collagen themselves, they're packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, and chlorophyll, all of which support collagen synthesis. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color, has been shown to increase the precursor molecules your body uses to make collagen. And vitamin A helps slow the breakdown of existing collagen, especially in cartilage and skin. This makes leafy greens one of the most powerful anti aging and anti inflammatory foods you can eat, particularly for leg health. But that's not all. These vegetables are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, which reduce systemic inflammation and help your body flush out toxins that contribute to swelling. When you eat leafy greens regularly, you're not only helping your knees and hips feel better, you're also supporting heart health, brain function, digestion, and bone strength. Try adding a handful of spinach to your morning eggs, blending kale into your smoothie, or sauteing chard with garlic and olive oil as a delicious dinner side. No matter how you prepare them, leafy greens are a foundational food for strong, pain free joints. 8. Avocados. Last but certainly not least is the mighty avocado. Smooth, creamy, and utterly delicious, avocados are one of the most nutrient rich foods for joint health, especially when it comes to reducing swelling and preserving collagen. What makes avocados so special? Their unique combination of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. First, the monounsaturated fats in avocados help lower inflammation throughout the body. This is critical for anyone struggling with joint swelling, especially in the legs. Less inflammation means less pain and greater mobility. But the real magic lies in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your collagen stores from breaking down. This fat soluble vitamin also lubricates your joints from the inside out, improving flexibility and reducing stiffness, especially in cold or damp weather. Avocados also contain a rare compound called persin, which has anti inflammatory and immune modulating properties. This means they don't just reduce swelling temporarily, they actually help regulate your immune response so your body doesn't overreact with inflammation. This is especially helpful for those dealing with autoimmune related joint issues like rheumatoid arthritis. Enjoy avocados in a salad, spread them on toast, or blend them into a smoothie. Just half an avocado a day can provide enough vitamin E and healthy fats to support collagen maintenance and improve joint comfort. And unlike many fruits, avocados have a very low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar, which is a major plus for older adults watching their glucose levels. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone you care about. And subscribe to Health Scroll for more tips to keep your joints strong and your body healthy. Your health is our priority.